Hi and hello there, Aries! Welcome new subscribers, returning Eastern buyers. Thank you sa inyong walang sawang love at support po for me. At kung di nyo pala may pati other channel, link down below sa ating description box. So if interested, just click that link para kayo mapunta there at araw-araw. Nag-upload po tayo ng collective readings for all signs doon. At yun nga lahat ng gender dito sa babae, lalaki, LGBT, everybody welcome. Pwede rin pong i-switch yung mga roles dahil possible magkapalit-palit yan kasi general reading ito. And at the end of the day, everybody, you have your free will with you. Like, if you want na i-claim yung mga messages, then go ahead, you can do that, no? And if not, then go ahead, no? Pwede mo rin yun gawin, no? It's up to you, no? Cross watchers ni Aries, welcome ka rin. May Aries placements and natal/birth chart, welcome din kayo. So let's go ahead and check these messages right in here for you, Aries. Archangel Michael, thank you so much. Angel guides, para sa palagian ninyong presence or reading ni Aries. Can we get messages right here for them, please? What this Aries needs to know. Can you please show me? Aries. Mga mensahe for Aries, please. Okay, so let's go ahead and check this mga mensahe for ya, guys. Aries, meron kayo ritong energy ng Two of Earth. Present din here ang Six of Air. We also have here for you guys the Page of Air. Andito din for you, Aries, the Three of Fire. The Hierophant. Seven of Pentacles or the Seven of Earth. Para sa ating bottom of the deck, we've got the Hermit. We also have here the Two of Fire and the Moon energy. So Aries, from the looks of it, no, it looks like meron ka ditong options na paparating na hindi mo ito nakikitang paparating sa'yo, no. Others of you, this is involving here your heart, no, or kakailanganin mo rito, no, yung parang kung ano bang mas matimbang sa puso mo. Maybe ito ay options when it comes to your love life. Maybe dalawang tao ay nakikita ko ritong paparating sa'yo. Yeah, for a lot of you, no, ito ay iyo ritong love life area, no. But for others, may kailangan ka talaga ditong piliin, no? Something to do with um, making a final decision, making a big decision, and maybe it has something to do with coins, earth right in here, about your money, pwedeng pagpili ng career, job, ano yung dapat i-pursue, negosyo, business, or both, yan, no? May pagpili rito, no? But for others, two people right here, no, coming in sa inyong life, no, when it comes to your love life area. Taray! Not just one, but two, no, ang nakikita natin dito. And nakikita natin this with the Hierophant energy. Isa na sa kanila yung makikitaan mo rito ng potential na siya na ang the one. Yun, no. At kung sino yung the one na yun, may clue rito, Okay? Galing siya dito sa malayong lugar, puwedeng sa ibang bansa or whatsoever siya, ang iyo ritong makakatuluyan, Aries, 'no? Nakikita natin dito na may isa pang clue maliban diyan, 'no? Kung sino yung a little late na darating, siya ang nakikita nating makakatuluyan mo rito at makakapalitan ng I do. Yan, oh, I just heard na. I do cherish you for the rest of my life. You don't have to think twice, you know. I do. Yes, this person here will cherish you for the rest of his or her lifetime here on earth. You will be the one. You know. One and only you, Aries. Ang taray nung clue 'no, alam na agad this, 'di ba kung sino yung a little late, ibig sabihin kung sino yung mauunang dumating sa life mo, hindi siya, eh, di yung pangalawa. Nakanang very clear ang signs 'no, at yung isa galing sa malayong lugar, kung yung isa galing lang diyan mga babes 'no, sa kanto. Hindi siya, 'di ba? So definitely, Wow, clear signs for my Aries people right in here about the person that you're dealing with, no? And for the career area, kung kayo mga babes no ay medyo hirap no dahil wala masyadong binigay na clue rito kung yan ay tungkol sa inyong kaperahan, no? You can ask directly daw the divine right in here, no, by sending them your messages. Paano miss yan? By talking to them through prayers, no? Pwede kayong humingi ng kung gusto niyo pong ituloy ko 'tong negosyo na 'to, puwede bang ipakita niyo po sa'kin ang rose na color white this week? Yung mga gano'n, 'no? So, ask specific signs para kayo ay well guided daw, sabi ng mga angels at guides ninyo. Aside from that, Aries, I'm also picking up right in here, maaaring meron ditong nag-o-observe sa'yo sa work. Possible rito 'no, na hindi ko naman nakikita yung ominous feeling. So, hindi ito inggit 'no, parang ito ay maaaring lalo na kung may mga bago diyan na na trabaho kayo rito na kakapasok niyo lang diyan and kung gusto ninyong ma-regular or whatsoever, meron dito na parang ini-evaluate kayo silently. Okay, or inoobserbahan kayo dito silently 'no. This person could be your superior or in charge 'no, para sa mga employees na magiging permanent or mare-regularize dito. So, definitely 'no, puwede mo ritong gawin pakita pa ang more na best mo rito babe, lalo na if you want to stay, in that company, ano. If it's a business naman right in here, someone here is observing you or is about to observe you 'no, maaaring makipag-collaboration or in partnership siya sa'yo rito. So, definitely this person here is interested 'no, in joining your business. So, whatever the case may be, just take how this resonates. Also, collaboration here 'no, is, very evident 'no. And aside from that, Aries, I'm also picking up right here that aside from that, someone observing you in your work or in the way you do your job right in here or your business, I do see someone here is also observing you, no? And this person here is nagtataka siya, huh? Bakit naman siya magtataka, Miss, yan? With the two of fire energy, it looks like yung iba sa inyo, single kayo pero happy kayo. Nagtataka siya, bakit kayo ganyan ka-happy kahit wala kayong love life, you know? And this person here is someone who appears to be your friend or your coworker right in here, no? Or even your family member na parang, o tinan mo si ate or tinan mo si bunso, wala siyang love life. Pero malapit na siya dun sa kalendaryo kind of thing, no? Na parang mawawala na yung kanyang age sa calendar pero hindi siya bothered, hindi siya pressured 'no. So if this is you, you're single and you're not bothered, okay, whether when love is coming to ya, then definitely someone here is nagtataka ba't ganyan kayo ka-happy, bakit parang contented kayo 'no. Yeah, okay. This person here is someone na hindi naman sa bitter siya or hindi naman sa parang ayaw niya na ganyan ka 'no, pero parang may energy ka rito na masaya ka kahit wala kang love life 'no. Pero magkaka-love life ka na rin kasi because your energy right here 'no is dahil nagfo-focus ka sa iyong self 'no in, making room for new opportunities 'no, giving or treating here yourself na very special, then voila! Hermit energy, look at this door. New love will enter your life, and that's something here that you do not know. With the moon right in here, someone here is coming towards you. At ikaw ay soon na magkakaroon na ng love life dito, no? But if you have a partner right now, like meron ka ng ka-in relationship, may ka-connect ka na, may person ka na, may boyfriend, may girlfriend, may husband, may wife ka na, no? I do see that your connection will deepen right in here and nakikita natin dito others you will relocate rito 'no sa mas malaki 'no na house 'no lalo na kung kayo 'to na aiming for big family nakikita ko kayo dito magre-relocate sa bigger house 'no or if your boyfriend, girlfriend, I do see that this person here will now be more committed to you. Okay, at magpapakita rin siya dito ng mga hakbang 'no, at mararamdaman mo talaga 'no, na mukhang parang malapit na 'tong mag-propose sa'kin, ah. Magto-throw siya sa'yo dito ng mga signs and clues and hindi niya alam na nakakapagbigay na siya rito ng clue sa'yo 'no. So, just take how this resonates. Wala tayo rito 'no, na gender pero kung sino man 'to na magiging handa na itong ka-connect mo 'no, sa marriage life. Yun 'no, at siyempre mga babes aside from that meron din tayong iba pang mga mensahe. Meron din kayo daw ditong puwedeng i-look forward 'no, sa mga darating dito na mga buwan at sa darating na first quarter ng 2026 or susunod na taon. Kung ano man ito, bagay raw ito mga babes na puwedeng nakikita ko rito na meron kayo rito mga mami-meet or makikilala rito na mga bago. Okay, na mga supporters dito and at the same time 'no, mga bago ditong makakatuwang mo 'no, sa pag-build lalo ng pinansyal mo. So, maaaring meron ka ditong mga new connections na makikilala 'no, na makatutulong sa'yo para mas mag-prosper yung negosyo mo kung may negosyo ka o yung iba nag-iisip kayong magnegosyo then makakatulong sila or para matulungan ka rito 'no, na mas mapayabong yung kaalaman mo sa mga skills na alam mo madadagdagan pa yan at learning is nonstop 'no, and you will feel excited, you will be on fire 'no, to know more because alam mo na makatutulong ito sa'yo Aries and you're not gonna say no dito sa mga opportunities na 'to 'no, dahil nakikita mo dito ang pagkayabong ng iyo ritong kaperahan at ng iyo na ritong pamumuhay. So yeah, Aries, ito yung mga mensahe here for you guys. Thank you again, I'm Yuriana Ani. Sarang Love and Light. Annyeong.